thanks for indicating. So, you can indicate. Maybe the indicator. Maybe the indicator. No right turn. You can't turn right here. You can't. No, go straight, not turn right. You not seeing it, you know? Oh. No, you're in the wrong. You're going.
Jesus. Hold on. I'm braking. I'm stopping here.
I'm turning right.
God, you're only a fucking pound! What the fuck is wrong with you? Fucking idiot! Dangerous as he is. Piece of shit.
I'm the right man. I'm this guy. Oh, really? Cut in the corner? Right, it's okay. I don't know what he's got. No, come on, it's a fucking giveaway sign. What the f